Hello, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Rancilio Silvia here. The customer brought it in because it was not heating, and I just found that the reset switch was triggered by the machine overheating. So they requested that I show where that reset switch is, so I left the lid off here. So let's just have a look inside. As you can see, there's the reset switch on the boiler. If you just press in that red button, then should be able to start heating again. So other than that, I just want to do a quick test shot to show the machine is working now. I did also give it a tune-up, so here's what I took out of the machine: the old gasket and the old screen. Put brand new screen and gasket in there, back flushed the group head. I descaled the boiler, although it is new. It's a new boiler, so it didn't really have too much mineral buildup in there. I also deep cleaned the steam wand and then just cleaned the machine externally. So now I'll just pull that shot. Make sure this is in there. And this is our test coffee. It's not perfectly calibrated to the machine, but it's just to show you that it is working. So I'll stop there. You can see nice crema, nice shot of espresso. And then I'll show you the steam in just 1 minute. I'll pause the video here and let it heat up. Alright, so I'll show that steam. Hopefully you can see that. Alright. Okay, that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.